Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clearance NYC, how it feels to shop for Queen for her birthday. Let's get into it.
What's up, y'all? So I'm pretty sure y'all already know what's going on. This is like the behind the scene, and what we are in right now is the car that I just bought Queen. You know what I'm saying? I just copped her a whip, and now I just picked it up from the dealership, and I'm heading to another place, the same place that did my Corvette. They about to do Queen's Jeep. I'm about to customize it for her and shit, like make it more personable, you know what I'm saying? Make it like hers, like I want to feel, you know, like it's definitely hers, like, you know what I mean? So we here driving in it now. This is like the inside. The inside right here. I want to do some with the seats. This shit is actually dope. Like I'm not really a big fan of these cars, but like she loves them. I was gonna get her the Tesla, but she's been saying she want this car. Like I don't know. Like I'm not a big fan of it, but
Yeah, it's important to get her what she wants for her birthday, you know? Everybody says it's different, especially with cars, you know? And that's gonna be like her baby, so you gotta get the car she wants. Even though, you know, I would have liked to test them myself, but yeah, you know, she likes Jeeps. That's what she likes. So it's the Queen on her birthday. You gotta do what she wants, right?
like now that it's all like I paid for an extra couple things for them to put on the car, like before I even bought it. So it's already like kind of custom, but we about to customize it even more. You know what I'm saying? So this is inside. This is dope. Like this is dope. You see the inside, yeah. The red inside. That shit is tough. So much traffic right now. But we head into the other spot. Once we get to the other spot, I'm gonna show y'all the outside of the car, so I can show y'all like the before, and then we gonna be able to see it after. Queen's birthday's on Sunday. Like it's coming up. It's like 4 days away, 5 days away. So I've been running around like crazy, man, trying to get this done for my shorty. You know what I'm saying? I hope.
Oh, that's so sweet, Claire. See, that's nice. I'm glad you shared this part with us. I'm glad you filmed it.
She loves it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, like, because I'm a good listener. Hopefully, I'm not too much of a good listener. You know what I'm saying?
He really is. I remember from the beginning of the relationship, he would remember everything she said.
I'm gonna be tight if she wanted the Tesla, cause she said she don't want the Tesla, that she's scared of it. She's been hearing things that it's like not built good, or it's like she's scared of the whole technology of it. Like she doesn't want all of that technology. She's scared. Like I'm into that shit though. Like you feel me? Like I'm into the self-driving shit. Like all of that. I want all of that, but she's not into it. So. But she's been saying for the past like month or 2 months, she's been saying that she really likes this car. We'll be on the road and she'd be like, oh my God, like I want one, I'm gonna get me one. Like, all right. So you know, me as a good listener, listen, and we made it happen. But yeah, once we get to the spot, I'm gonna show y'all the car, the outside, so y'all can see it. And I'm gonna turn on the camera later. See y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is the whole car. I'm showing y'all. I just got it to the shop. Got it to 610 motoring. You know what I'm saying? If you're from Atlanta, you know what 610 motoring is. Jeep, Wrangler, Rubicon. I want to get these tires blacked out. I want to put a thing under there for her, like so she can step up. You know what I mean? I think that'll look hard. And then
That's nice. I like that. I like the little step ramp.
I got these custom lights on there for her. Right there. The windows, of course, gotta tint them. And we lit, man. Fucking lit, man. So hopefully when I'm gonna show y'all when it's all done. I'm gonna show y'all when it's all done. And show y'all what it look like when it's all done, man. It is. This is like my channel. The Roy family, y'all seen a whole different video. I just seen everything, the glamour, the glitz. This is the blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah, how much you just spent?
Hold on.
Oh no, mine's the cameraman.
How you guys feel about these? I know you guys are all men.
That's the new Virgo. That's that new Virgo right there. I wouldn't wear them. But
I said he's not gonna do that. He like that little thin heel. Oh no, you just asked to choke with your ankles. He's a smart man. I like it. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if I wear it, but I like it.
You know, they look hard though.
She gonna be a double. I mean, time she gonna be. I love those shoes, bro. Now, what I think we should do is let's go ahead and total everything up. Unless this don't make no sense, take this off.
No, it's gonna make sense. It's not gonna make sense. No will or evil. Yeah, it don't matter. It's already not gonna make no sense.
So we might as well
just make it make less sense, my boy. Look, yeah.
Get your root commission, bruh.
Call it fake now, so I might as well just start calling now.
Yeah. You should.
Let them know. Like about 7.
Yeah, I'm about to let you know right now. 2, 1, 3.
This is what it's like to be a boyfriend to QUEENNAIJA, right? Come on, give him that.
I just walked out the product store.
Yeah.
They got me with the unreleased special edition bag that was 3 bands.
Okay.
It was only 50 in the world, so if you see 51 women with this bag, so, because that's what sold me. You know what I mean? And then there was another bag that she wanted.
It was 100.
100, so 101 women. That's not supposed to happen. But then there's another one. There was a white fur.
Do people verify this? It's only 50 women in the world. Now it's 51. What's the odds of them making 51 versus just making 50? Okay.
The one that she wanted, so I had to get that one too. So that was about 5,500 in that store. You know what I'm saying? Now we're in the shoe store. And it's gonna be crazy, I think. And then we just left Louis. I got her luggage. Y'all already know. Like the price of luggage. I don't even have a Louis luggage. I'm dead don't. I don't. I should have still tissed it. It's the tissed shit from Target. Yeah.
It's alright, bro.
Oh, Claire. Now she got to get you that for your birthday.
Look at his face.
I'm defeated. And I have an 8.
Yeah, that's a thumbnail.
And I haven't ate. I haven't ate at all. So it's like
You already spent over 10 bands and haven't eaten
I'm
food.
wounded. I'm wounded.
Yeah.
I'm wounded.
Man down.
10 and no eat.
Now he in his feelings. He hungry. Get Claire something to eat.
You're a soldier, man. You're a soldier, man.
You're good, bro.
Yeah. And for all the boyfriends out there, you know, looking for somebody to inspire to be like, this man right here. Right, man. So this is the big moment, man. The final tally. The final tally for the birthday gift, man.
Wow.
Dang. I mean, does she have that many feet? No, I'm playing. I know she got to be looking good on the stage and stuff. I'm just playing. But dang, when brother got to say, wow.
This nigga said, wow.
No business card.
Okay.
You got a heavier limit. You know what I mean? You're right.
So you see, your purchases are now hit the card reader. So it's not intended for this. It's not intended for this. So now I must move and play Tetris in order for us to get to the card reader.
That's back there.
That's back there. So I'm gonna
Swipe it. Come on.
Like, what was what? Like, what is
so no problem, sir.
He said, which one was high like this? He like, what? It's just one pair that is really more expensive than 2 or 3 other pairs.
Bottega, Off-White, that is, I want to say, no, Dior, Balenciaga, no, Dior, Balenciaga. Yeah.
Big moment. Remember that time they tried to front when your car didn't work at Chick-fil-A?
Shit still like that. Yes.
Why am I here to bring up Chick-fil-A?
We're done. We're done for now. We got all these bags. Look at all the bags. Oh my God, bro. Fucking going crazy. But you know, I'm not gonna lie, bro. There's nothing I wouldn't do for Queen. So it's like, I'm not gonna lie, I go above and beyond for her. I would never even do this shit for myself, honestly.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's very nice. I like to hear that.
But for Queen, I gotta buy a building. You feel me? None of that shit matter, but let's do it now. We just gotta work even harder, you know? Alright, so it's done. I just pulled up to the venue. The car's done. These are the wheels, black wheels. Fire. Did the brake calibers, red. This is new right here. Check this out. You see that right there? I got that. This put on. So when she opens the door, it automatically goes down. Close it. Goes up. Fire.
I really like that. That step is nice. And when you open the door, it's just automatically down. That's very nice.
And then we had these lights put in already. I'm not gonna lie, this is the one thing I pulled up just now and peeped. Pissed me off. Look at this. That's badly done right there. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if they thought they knew this was about to be on camera. Cause that's type bad, bro. They did my shit way better. I don't know why they just did Queen like that. That's not even what I asked for. I asked for the Queen. The Queen. I already took a picture. I'm about to send it to him right now, but I need some money off or something.
Because his shit sounds like this.
He big mad. You ain't getting what he asked for. What's y'all problem? Y'all need us to come up there? That's with the Queen.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I want my nieces to like this. Most people don't say
Fire? Y'all think she's gonna like it? Think she's gonna like it? But now I'm okay. Look at my wrist, pull up like OJ.
Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, and click the bell to become part of the Noto Squad. See y'all later.